And in this lesson 4 video, I'm gonna explain how you can design your own website, because if we design our website, we are able to design others website also, right? And essential things have to done.
First of all, we have to create our header and footer. So you look at here, there is no header and there is no footer also the below. So before create header and footer, we have to create some pages. So let's dive into it. Go to the pages, click all pages, and here we have no pages currently right now. So first of all, before creating pages, we have to do some steps on SSL certificate. Actually it was already activated, so that's why showing the lock symbol, but we have to do some steps we have to click this ones, because the full encryption will be do with this thing. Okay, so now our SSL certificate is completely activated, and here click here to add new pages. So I'm gonna creating some pages like home page. I'm writing home, home, and then click to publish. Click the button, and here now our website is live. The W to go back, so I'm clicking that once, and I am gonna creating again a new page. Click add new, and about us page, ABOUTUS, about us page, and click publish. Now our about us page also published, you can see here, and go to the back and click add new, and I want to add another page, so click add new as same I had do earlier. Now I'm creating a page on the name of portfolio. So click to the publish, and now my page is also published, and get back, and I'm gonna create another page. This is the last one, in the name of contact us. A contact us page also, if somebody wants to contact us, we need a contact us page. There is another thing, later videos I will show you. Then click publish. Now our contact us page also live, and get back to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard, click appearance, and then click menu. We have to create a menu to show our pages on the top, so click the menu and give a name, like I am giving like main menu. Okay, click the primary menu and create menu, and now select all pages to show the menu on the top, and click to add menu. Now our menu is added. You can adjust by dragging, like I am doing right here. Home, about us, contact, portfolio, and contact us, and scroll down, save menu. Click the save button. Now your menu is added. So refresh this page. Let's see, all pages are added to the menu bar, and it is our header section. And to change our logo, we have to do this step. Click media and click add new. We have to upload a logo image, so click here, select file, just find out the image, and then click open, and it will be uploaded. It was uploading. Yes, our image is uploaded, sorry, our logo is uploaded. Okay, actually I'm refreshing this page, dashboard, home, and now check out this header. This is just a basic header. Now we are creating a good header using with the Elementor header and footer plugin. Go to the appearance, click Elementor header and footer, so click that once, and now there is nothing, so we have to create a header. Scroll up, click add new, and skip this step. I don't wanna waste your time, so give a name for your header. I'm giving like my header. Scroll down, we are going to create header, so I'm choosing here header, and display on entire website. I want to display my entire website. click here to the user role all. Okay, then update. Here our header is created. This is our header URL, and then click with Elementor. To create our header by scratch, we have to take 2 columns. Here there are elements, you can drag and drop it. Search for logo, just drag, and search for navigation menu. So just drag and drop it. In this way you can create your header. When you clicking that image element, you will get an option to customize your image. On customize image option and choose your image which we had previously uploaded. So click this one, insert media. Here our image is, but the background is black and it was not transparent. To make it transparent logo, we have to go to the new tab and search for remove.bg. So we have to remove that background. Click here, upload image, select the image, and background is removed, and let's download it. I have to upload that logo on media, so I'm uploading it. So it was uploaded, and actually it was not looking good, so that's why I'm refreshing this page again. I have to start from fresh, so it was refreshing. Click the plus button and take 3 columns. So go to the tab menu and search for logo, drag and drop it, and search for menu, just drag and drop it, and search for social icons, just drag and drop it. And we have to upload our logo, right? So click customize, choose that newly uploaded image and insert media. Yes, our logo was uploaded. For our good looking header, we have to resize these things and click the image, make it as full, and go to the style tab and drag and drop the width and size. So this is the process where we can do from scratch, but I don't recommend you. We can use pre-made header templates from Envato. We can create very easily a header. So click Envato. We can find pre-made templates and kits, free blocks. So I will suggest you to go with these things. Click free blocks and find out header. Here it is. So click that one. I will choose one header, pre-made template, where our time had saved. So let's scroll down. I will select this one, click here to import, and look at our header, how beautiful it is, right? So this is the process where we can download from pre-made templates. So search for menu, just drag and drop the navigation menu. Here it is, our menu. So just resize the columns according to menu. Actually I don't like this blue color, so that's why I'm changing. Click the upper dots and you will get options on the left side. So click style tab and go to the color, click that color, change it black. How beautiful it is, right? Look at it, it is very beautiful, right? So logo is not logo, it's actually it was a title. So delete this once and search for logo, site logo, drag and drop it. So as usual, choose the image. So insert media, it is also very large one, so change its size, width. So again it was a problem, so we have to crop the logo image. So then we have to search image crop online and go to the iloveimage.com, click that once and select your image and drag and drop it. So now you can crop your image according to your logo size. So I'm just cropping it according to my size. As usual, you can also do this once from according to your logo. So download the cropped image. Actually I skipped the part to upload image on media library. So search for site logo and customize the option, choose image which we had cropped and insert media. So look out this, how beautiful it is, our logo, and click the pencil icon to change the menu color white. Click style tab, scroll down, text color white, and I want to change the typography also, so click the pencil icon and change the typography how it is look like. And I want to change the header hover effect also, so click style tab and scroll down here, click hover and change the green color into blue. It was very good looking, that was nice. Okay, for social media we have to give our social media links. Click Facebook and open here. Here we have to give our social media page links. facebook.com/digitalfires. So I don't want this Twitter and Google, so that's why I'm deleting this. And click to add menu and go to the icon tab, find out your icon. I find Instagram and I want to connect my WhatsApp also, so that's why I'm finding WhatsApp and I am adding this WhatsApp icon. So as the same Facebook, we have to give our another WhatsApp link and Instagram link, so that's why I'm skipping this. To save the settings, click here to update. Now our header is created, that's it. And click back, go to exit dashboard. As the same way we're gonna create a footer. Click here to add new and give a name my footer, and scroll down, select option for footer and give the entire website and all. So update. Now we got our footer URL. Okay, click edit with Elementor, create your footer. So click Envato elements and go to the free blocks, find out footer. Right here it is. Choose which one you would like. So I would like to choose this one, so it is very good looking. So click to insert template. It was importing, so imported. So this is how you can import your footer also. So just change the about us section, give your text according to you. For menu, just drag and drop navigation menu, and it was on horizontal, so to change it you have to click the layout and go to the layout, click vertical, so your menu is changed. And breakpoint put as none. For this social media you have to give your social media pages links as I shown you earlier. Okay, our footer is created, and we have to give your copyright section. We can create by scratch and we can go to the Envato elements free blocks. So I am taking Envato, click free blocks and search for copyright. Here it is. Find out which one you likes, and I would like to insert this template. Okay, click here insert. Our copyright section is imported. Just click the pencil icon and edit it. All copyright reserved by mydigitalmarketingsite.com. You can write anything about according to your website. Okay, all copyrights are reserved by me. Okay, that's it. To save our settings, click here to update. Now our footer and copyright section is created. So just go back, click to visit site, so refresh it. So this is our header, how beautiful it is, and scroll down, this is our footer. For the entire website we had created footer and header. Thank you for watching this lesson. In the next lesson I will teach you how to create your home page, portfolio page, and what the content should be on that. So this is the end of this lesson, so we will meet on the next lesson.